Question: which sentence is the correct one? Answer: they are suffering many a problem. Question: find out the correct sentence. Answer: the number of examinees was 59. Question: find out the correct one. Answer: a small number of students have passed the exam. Question: which is the correct one? Answer: what a mesmeric speech he has delivered. Question: which sentence is incorrect one? Answer: he is a MRCP. Question: which is the correct one? Answer: the principal and the secretary were dealing with the matter seriously. Question: find out the correct sentence. Answer: of the two boys, Monir is the better. Question: which is the correct? Answer: sheep are the humble animals. Question: find out the incorrect one. Answer: his mother was also a tailor. Question: the mother rose in her seeing the little baby, and it compelled her to take the baby in her lap. Question: find out the correct sentence. Answer: the Titanic went down on her first voyage. Question: which is the correct one? Answer: Armin has a brother and a sister. Question: which is the correct? Answer: one should obey one's parents. Question: choose the correct sentence. Answer: all the parties are trying to accomplish their agenda. Question: find out the correct sentence. Answer: statistics show that about 400 million people speak English as a first language. Question: which is the correct? Answer: bound to be corrupt. Question: which is the correct? Answer: not only Rubel, but also his parents were meritorious. Question: which is the correct? Answer: the scenery of Cox's Bazar is very charming. Question: which sentence is correct one? Answer: the people that are courageous do not fear a danger. Question: choose the correct one. Answer: the lad asked his father to bring him a new school dress. Question: which is the correct? Answer: the lioness gave birth to 3 offspring. Question: which is the correct one? Answer: she passed her SSC from Monirampur Girls' School. Question: choose the correct one. Answer: when the news of the intruders' attack came, the Empress was having lunch with her family. Find out the correct one. Answer: I drank a little milk. Question: which sentence is the correct? Answer: after walking 3 consecutive days in the desert, Belal at last found an oasis. Question: the Arabian Nights dash is still wonderful to read. Answer is Question. Find out the correct sentence. Answer. I caused him to distribute the money among the poor. Question. Choose the correct sentence. Answer. He has been ill since last Friday. Question. Which one has no error? Answer. The environment seemed suffocating. Question. The man along with his neighbors dash working for the welfare of the people. Answer is. Question. Sweet dash the uses of adversity. Answer are. Question. The cultural studies has a new meaning to culture. Answer has given. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. The people are not satisfied with the management. Question. Which one has no error? Answer. The worker we lost was working well. Question. He left but his bread and butter dash the job. Answer was. Question. The young entrepreneur as well as his sales team member dash praise. Answer deserves. Question. Which is the correct one? Answer. Let's make him do the work. Question. Find out the correct sentence. Answer. Neither James nor his brothers were invited on the occasion. Question. Neither of the students has submitted the term paper to the teacher yet. Answer has. Question. He is one of the boys who has not written the letter given as homework. Answer have. Question. Find out the correct sentence. Answer. Himmel and not his parents is responsible for this misdeed. Question. Which sentence is the correct one? Answer. Each boy and each girl of the class is meritorious. Question. Choose the correct sentence. Answer. It is I who have done the work. Question. Coffee and tea dash nowadays offered as alternative. Answer are. Question. Find out the correct sentence. Answer. That they are honest man is known to all. Question. Find out the incorrect sentence. Answer. The herd of cows belong to me. Question. Find out the incorrect one. Answer. All has reached there in time. Question. Find out the correct sentence. Answer. 2/3 of the mango is rotten. Question. Complete the sentence. The circumstances were so bad that I could not help dash a lie to save his life. Answer. Telling. Question. Choose the correct sentence. Answer. He came here with a view to meeting me. Question. Which one is the correct? Answer. If I had a virtuous friend, he would guide me to the right path. Question. Find out the correct sentence. Answer. The man saved him a lot of money lest he should suffer in his old age. Question: which sentence is the correct one? Answer: the man started eating as if he had never eaten. Question: find out the correct sentence. Answer: he hardly plays golf. Question: which is the correct one? Answer: Phoebe has already had his lunch. Question: find out the correct sentence. Answer: the sheep were carrying a lot of sheep. Question: which is the incorrect one? Answer: the army has attacked the enemy. Question: which sentence is the correct one? Answer: Sarfaraz Khan was an heir to the throne. Question: find out the correct sentence. Answer: an amount of money was allocated for the work. Question: which sentence has no errors? Answer: he left hostel with all his belongings. Question: which is the correct sentence? Answer: Mr. Smith was a monk. Question: which one is the correct one? Answer: he got used to telling lie at his boyhood. Question: find out the correct sentence. Answer: that the poor are born to suffer seems their inevitable destiny. Question: which one is the correct? Answer: Bodrul, accompanied by his friends, has played a prominent role in the matter. Question: he saw her when he was at 4. Here, when he was at 4 is a answer: adverbial clause. Question: I don't understand how a man can become so cruel. Here, how a man can become so cruel is answer: noun clause. Question: the man I am watching on may be a thief. Here, underlined phrase is answer: adjective clause. Question: it is good for health that you walk in the morning. Here, the underlined clause is answer: noun clause. Question: he who is of huge wealth does not always lead a happy life. What type clause is the underlined one? Answer: adjective clause. Question: he decided that he would stop communicating with us. Which is the clause is the underlined one? Answer: noun clause. Question: the poet wants to escape where peace is never disturbed. What type clause is the underlined one? Answer: adverb clause. Question: as his sixth and last son died a premature death, she reacted with a strange quietness. What type of adverb clause of underlined one? Answer: adverb clause of time. Question: only he will survive in the business world who can cope with the ever-changing market. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer: adjective clause. Question: as you sow, so you reap. What type of clause is so you reap? Answer: principal clause. Question: I am not satisfied that you have got A in the exam. What type of clause is that you have got A in the exam. Answer. Noun clause. Transform in the complex 1 to 6. Question 1. An uninterrupted network is desired by all. Answer. A network connection which is uninterrupted is desired by all. Question. He left the job to start afresh. Answer. He left the job so that he could start afresh. Question. I cannot foretell the time of his departure. Answer. I cannot foretell when he will depart. Question. In case of his failure, you have to compensate for the loss. Answer. If he fails, you have to compensate for the loss. Question. But not her instigation, he would not have killed the king. Answer. If she had not instigated him, he would not have killed the king. Question. This tree too high for me to climb. Answer. This tree is so high that I cannot climb. Transform in the simple 7 to 10. Question. He said that he was innocent. Answer. He declared his innocence. Question. If he does not abide by the rules, the authority will punish him. Answer. In case of his not abiding by the rules, the authority will punish him. Question. He is so strong that he can carry the load. Answer. He is strong enough to carry the load. Question. As soon as I recalled her name, he became furious. Answer. On my recalling her name, he became furious. Transform in the compound 11 to 14. Question. He prospered in life by working hard. Answer. He worked hard and prospered in life. Question. Despite of his sincerity, he could not reach the goal. Answer. He was sincere but he could not reach his goal. Question. He wants to earn more money. Answer. He has a desire and it is earned to more money. Question. The weather being very cold, nobody was outside the home. Answer. The weather was very cold and nobody was outside the home. Transform in the simple 15 to 17. Question. He went out and I woke up. Answer. After his going out, I woke up. Question. He was a thief and the police arrested him. Answer. Because of his being a thief, the police arrested him. Question. I saw a boy and he was playing in the field. Answer. I saw a boy playing in the field. Transform in the compound 18 to 21. Question. Unless you try heart and soul, you cannot become a success. Answer. Try heart and soul or you cannot become a success. Question. The old man was punished as he killed the bird. Answer. The old man killed the bird and was punished. Question. He is so poor that he could not buy his daily bread. Answer. He was very poor and could not buy his daily bread. Question. Della had an ardent desire so that she gave his husband a worthy gift. Della had an ardent desire, and it was to give her husband a worthy gift. Transform in the complex 22 to 25. Question. He was poor, yet he retained his integrity. Answer. Though he was poor, he retained his integrity. Question. Search his pockets and you will find the watch. If you search his pocket, you will find the watch. Question. He saw the danger and paused. Answer. When he saw the danger, he paused. Question. He aimed at gaining my favor and started eulogizing me. Answer. He started eulogizing me so that he might gain my favor.